Okay, now let's talk punctuation. The rules for punctuation follow exactly what the rules should be for a text translation, or text captioning too if you're just doing same language subtitling. So whatever you do to type out in your native language, type it out in the subtitles as well. Note that some languages have some specific punctuation rules, so always check your style guide and specific job requirements. There are a few oddities though when it comes to punctuation, so kind of handle it like your normal language, but with these few exceptions. First up is commas. You really want to avoid what's called a lingering comma, which is when a comma is the last character of a subtitle. Don't do this. If you think a comma needs to be the last character of a subtitle, you can actually exclude it. The other option is to reorder the subtitles so that the phrase with a comma is on the first line of a subtitle with more text underneath that. Sometimes it's tempting to use a comma when there's a dramatic pause in speech or someone is trailing off. In these cases, use an ellipses, which is just 3 periods right together. With that in mind, you still need to be careful about overusing ellipses. They should only be really used for dramatic effect and not for most speech. Next up is the dash. Dashes should only be used when 2 people are speaking in the same subtitle. Each speaker should have their own line and should have a space between the dash and the text. Note, never use a double dash and never use a single dash if only one person is speaking within a subtitle.